Boom, 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 boom.
Open it. I already have
Boom,
one
boom,
open.
boom. Cook it with Liz.
Back.
Let's see, babe. Bring the.
I asked
A little bit more.
Boom, 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 boom,
Pass
boom,
code.
boom, 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 boom.
Smash your toe.
Okay.
What's that gonna be? Boom, 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 boom.
Alright.
Boom, 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 boom. Hi, Max.
I just said pass code.
She's letting me off.
Oh, did he get offended? Hey, hey!
Bye, you
Max?
faggot ass!
Shut up, Rob. Max is not a
Pass
faggot.
on. Bite it.
Fuck you.
Yellow! Yellow.
Yellow. That's actually a funny way to
Yeah, what the hell is that? That little nipple part?
Boom, 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 boom. Stop showing your ass.
I do.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
No, you have to go a little. Well, sure, do it.
Boom, 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 boom.
Make sure it lands all in there, babe. Because you have to cook it down.
Alright.
So that would have broccoli. That would be badass to have broccoli, dude.
Right. I didn't even take a look at the second picture. I'll take a look real quick. Just at home. Huh?
Oh shit, it's still overfilling for it?
It's perfect.
Alright.
Alright.
Just rinse it off.
Alright. Right. He wants me to go help him.
what the fuck you telling me for? You're gonna go anyway. Excuse me.
I don't get a hug or a kiss?
Hell.
You're only trying to give me a hug and a kiss to prevent me from getting pissed off.
No.
That's the only reason why
No.
you're. Yes, it is, because you're like, they want me to go help over there.
Yep, I saw it.
Because you don't want me to talk shit, that's why.
No, because I love you.
Mix it.
You're right.
I'm gonna take the truck suction off.
Excuse me, Liz.
Waste all your gas.
Okay, because you're the one who pays for it anyway. I don't give a shit. Huh?
We do.
Same difference.
Was it like cooked, babe?
Where the fuck is my...
Chicken takes a long time to cook.
Your face is long time to cook. Let me try it.
Go ahead.
Oh, man.
It doesn't actually cover it. It cooks fast. You wouldn't know that though.
Oh my goodness.
Shut up.
Your face is cooked. Rob. calm
Her
down,
face
how
is
are
not cooked. You know whose face is cooked? Yours.
I knew like familiar. I just didn't know who it was. Yeah. See what you caught, Sean.
What?
Always bullied me now because he bullied his girl.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
I never bullied tomorrow. Not
My
tomorrow.
fucking big old fat ass, didn't it? Your big old fat ass didn't bully me.
Boom, 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 boom.
Right tomorrow?
Yeah, whatever.
The air in the hospital was really
Well, did I ever try to box you?
Probably. Oh, did worse than that. He's not even that bad. So I heard stories he's done.
I never tried to box her.
Anna has
I'm
told
not
me
a bone
freaking
beater.
stuff. I heard from everyone.
Yeah, I never boxed her.
basically hurt her.
Shit.
What do you need?
Not that I recall.
My fucking recipe has disappeared.
Oh, the one that's a Blue's Clues one? Not the one you use?
No.
Oh,
the
this
regular one.
Because Anna has a little recipe book and has Blue's Clues.
Where is it? Probably in there.
Liz, you know where Mama's cookbook is? I'm gonna try to Amy, what do you want to do with those breasts? Do you want to put them on that like sheet? Tray or something?
Noise right now.
Who's that, Liz?
Spam.
Sean, did you find it? Look in her little stash for sure. Keeps all her stuff. I don't know what that is, but I'm pretty sure that's it.
I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry.
Want me to Google a recipe? Hmm?
One of them. Hi guys.
You gonna find it, hun?
Nope.
Cover it. It won't burn if it's covered, because the steam cooks it. That's how the meatballs came out so good, because I just let them go. I didn't even freaking touch them, and they cooked on their own. That's how it's easy to do that with any meat. Instead of looking at it, leave it for a good 20 minutes, and I'll cook it. Just cover it, because if you don't cover it, that'll be a freaking hot mess. Oof. Burn that shit up, man. Trust me. Did that once. Because they say leave it, the chefs on the TV say, you know, leave it, but I forgot about the covering part. So I freaking did try to make like chicken like that, and I freaking burned. So bad. So bad. I was like, shit, I forgot to cover it. My mom was all mad. You never gonna cook again, Desiree? Oh, sorry. So want me to film? The veggies are not covered.